Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Apify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create group on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. As you can see icon on top right corner as shown here, click on it. Now you will get this kind of interface. So tap on new group in order to create new group. And if you want to add people in your group, then just select person to whom you want to add to your group. And then tap on next button. So here you can name your group, give your group name, and then tap on create button. So you have successfully created your group on Telegram. If you want to add more members, then simply tap on add members and add other members. So in this way you can create group on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.